So the problem we are facing today is a broken wheel in our chair. So as you know, in work from home, we are using office chairs because we have to sit for long hours. But at the same time, these do have some maintenance requirements after every few years. So this one needs a wheel replacement. So one was completely broken, but the others are also kind of jammed, and you know they have deteriorated over time. So we are going to replace the entire set of 5 wheels for this chair. So let's get started. So as you can see, these have two kind of arrangements to attach to the chair. So this one doesn't have thread, and you don't need any kind of spanner to open it up. It has this caster pin arrangement. So basically there's this ring holding it in the place. So if we like press it in many directions and pull it out, then this ring will be dislodged from its place and it is pulled out easily. So we will pull out all the wheels one by one. And yeah, this one is already used. So now we have these new wheels. As you can see, they are entirely new and smooth running. So I bought these off Amazon, and these are available from like pretty generic companies. You don't need really uh, highly branded ones for your regular use, because anyways these have usually rating of 150 kg or around 200 kg, which is much more than a weight of an average person. So this will just do fine. So I'm going to push them all in. Okay, so it's done. Unless some of the wheel is done, it doesn't take more than 10 minutes, as you can see. And now it is pretty smooth to travel. So I hope you enjoyed it, and you might find this video useful. So thank you.